Hello everyone, my name is B.Aditya and I am currently pursuing my B.Tech third year in the field of cybersecurity. In this video, I'll be walking you through the basics of Amazon EC2, including what it is, why we use it, and its key components, and a step-by-step demo on how to create and manage an EC2 instance using the AWS console. So let's get started. What is a Amazon EC2? EC2 stands for Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. It is a web service offered by the AWS that gives us secure and resizable computing capacity in the cloud. Think of it as like a virtual computer that you can launch and use from anywhere without needing a physical machine. You can use EC2 to launch as many virtual servers as you need. Whether it's one server or hundreds, EC2 can handle it and you only pay for what you use. Why we need to use the EC2? What we can do with it. First, you can use EC2 for hosting websites and web applications. It's also great for running backend servers for mobile apps like APIs and databases. Developers use EC2 for deployment and testing environments because it's fast to set up and easy to scale. You can also use it for data preprocessing and analytics, running scripts or processing large files. And finally, it's commonly used for machine learning workloads where you need powerful computing resources. Now let's look at the key components that make up an EC2 instance. The first is the AMI or Amazon Machine Image. This is like the operating system for your instance. It could be Linux, Ubuntu, or Windows depending on your choice. Next, we have the instance type. This defines the hardware setup like how much CPU and RAM you will get. For example, a T2 micro instance has one CPU and 1 GB of RAM. Then we have the key pair, which is used for securely connecting the instance through SSH. It ensures only you can access it. The security group acts like a virtual firewall. It controls what kind of traffic is allowed in and out of your instance. And lastly, Elastic IP is a public IP address you can assign to your instance so you can always access it with the same IP. Now I'll show you how to create a free EC2 instance using the AWS Management Console. First, go to the AWS website and sign in with your AWS account. After signing in the top search bar, type EC2. Open this EC2 service. In the right side, you can see this Launch Instance button. Click on this Launch Instance button. First, we need to give a name for this instance. My new instance. Next, choose a Amazon Machine Image or AMI. I'm selecting this Amazon Linux 2023 AMI, which is a free tier eligible. Then choose this instance type. Make sure you select T2.micro, which is also a part of the free tier. After that, you need to create a key pair if you don't have one. I already have a new key pair, so I'm selecting this. And if you want to create a new pair, click on this new key pair button and give the key pair name and click on the create key pair. In this network settings, you can leave most options as they are. The default storage of the default storage is 8 GB, which is fine for a free tier, so we'll leave it unchanged. And now we need to launch this instance. Click on this launch instance button. As you can see, the instance is being launched. Now we have successfully launched this instance. Just click on this instances to view the instance. So this is my new instance which I have created. Once you are done using your instance, it's important to terminate it to avoid any unnecessary charges. Here's how you can delete or terminate your EC2 instance. So this is the instance we have created. At this top, click on this instance state. First, checkbox this instance. So it will be selected. Click on this instance state. And here, last option you can see terminate or delete instance. Click on this and click terminate or delete. So after few seconds, this instance state you can see here is being shutting down. And after few minutes, it will be terminated.